If you want to manually update all the apps on your phone at once, it's really simple. Go to the App Store, tap on your profile image, tap on App Updates, and then tap on Update All. Or if you don't want all per se, you can just tap on Update on the ones you want on this list. And if you have the background app refresh turned on your settings, you might think that updates apps. It does not. It just updates their information. It does not update their code, which is what it does in the App Store here. So even if you have background app refresh turned on, you'll have to manually update your apps as well. If you want to scan proof your phone, then this is the PDF for you. It's free. I made it. You can download it right now. Just scan this QR code or click the link in the top of the description or the pinned comment. They all go to the same place. You can download this free PDF and scan proof your phone right away. And if you want to find out if your phone is spying on you and where it's sending that information, check out this video right here. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.